Maya. Maya. My. This dress. My. This dress on your birthday. Are you seeing this? We're at Beat Box, which is the vegan restaurant. What is that? Oh my gosh, let's do a mukbang. So we have, what are these, chili fries? That's a vegan plant-based burger. Some onion rings, and then that is a chicken sandwich. I'm not a real vegan, I'm knockoff. Yeah, I want to try a fry first.
It smells so good.
I want to show this off more.
How's it? That is so good.
The chicken is so good. The fries are amazing. I'm gonna try the plant-based burger. Did you try the chicken one?
I will.
It was good. Onion ring.
Not my favorite, but pretty good.
Really good, a little bit too cooked. A little bit too cooked. But it's not bad. I like the sauce that they put on the onion rings. Kind of spicy. Do you like it?
Try the fries.
Really good, but there's a lot of shit on it. There's a lot of shit on the fries. But I guess that's the point. I wonder if it was an option to just like order regular just like plain fries. Probably. It's not on the menu, but probably. I was about to be like, why do the fries taste like chili? Because they're chili cheese fries.
Which burger do you like better?
Chicken for sure. Chicken is so good. I mean, I feel bad, but this is so good.
Yeah, what is that? What's on the chicken roll? Kind of sweet. What is good?
It's like sweet and spicy almost.
My patties are probably not good, but
Okay, see you guys later. We're doing a photo shoot, but there's bird shit on my hand.
oh my gosh, that could be pee.
Well, better than bird shit. I don't know. Wait, let me.
It's not me. It's not.
My hand is cold. So, oh my gosh, wait. That girl kind of looks like Shannon. This kind of looks like Shannon.
Hi, Shannon.
So we were downtown for maybe like
The next station is
3 minutes.
Roundhouse.
And now we're going home. Cause fuck that shit. We got the photos. We did our catwalk. We did our thing. Fuck that shit.
I need a tissue.
It's so cold. It's so windy out. I want to be in my bed right now. Brookie, we made it home. Brookie, we made it. We're home, Brookie. She's so scared. I'm sorry, Brookie. Why is she wet? Ew. Ew, why is she wet? Is she peeing herself? What the fuck? My puppy is happy to see me. So cute. She's like 16, guys. Okay. So we just got home. I'm literally so ready to just take this shit off. Take the shit that I glued onto my face off. It all needs to go. Clothes off. Sweater on. It's time to get comfy, bitches. Let's get comfy. So this is my routine when I get home. All the rings in the dish. Take them off, take them off. Oh my god, I have to poo. Take them off. I'm kidding, I don't actually have to poo. Ooh, do I? I don't know. Maybe it's a pee. Who knows? Okay, this ring is stuck. Did you guys like my outfit today? It was kind of snatched, huh?
Was it stuck?
What?
What's stuck?
My ring got stuck. Did you see that? Haha, tooted. So, you guys need to follow my Instagram if you aren't already. It's at @csweetella. I'll leave it in the description down below. But we took some fire-ass photos with freaking Iz's phone downtown today. You guys saw that on the stairs. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to post them. I'm gonna post them tonight so you can see that fit in the photos. Don't you love these spikes? I just glued them on with some eyelash glue. They're like spikes from an old septum ring. Piercing gone, bitch. Ha ha. I'm so quirky and so fun. Okay, so what did we do today? Yeah, we went and got some food. It was just really sunny today, and like when it's sunny in Vancouver, you leave the house because we never know when it's gonna be sunny again. And I'm not gonna risk that shit because literally before that, when was the last time it was sunny? I don't even remember. So we went downtown. We ran into Shannon's sister. That was really cool. Hey girl, Jess, love her. Always wanted to meet her, but Shannon never invites me over, so didn't get the chance. But did it before you introduced me to her, Shannon. Winning. Miss that bitch, by the way, Shannon. Miss you. Literally texted her the other day. I was like, I miss her. I miss you. Let's hang out. So maybe I'll hang out with her in the next couple days and you guys can see that. I need to go to her new place and I'm going to give you guys a tour because she has so many things. Get ready. She sent me some Snapchats of her closets and shit. Oh, that will be exciting. That'll be a whole vlog itself. Like Shannon. That'll be the name, just Shannon. I could predict it. Can you? So, when we were on the bus ride home, actually when we're driving there to downtown, there was a couple, like an old couple, and they kept on staring at us, which I'm used to. I don't blame them. They were probably like, what the fuck? And 2 freaking metal things glued onto my face. I wouldn't be surprised, but like, yeah, anyway, so then they were on the bus back too, like going back to where I'm from and from the city, and they were staring again. But then I started looking at them and they were so cute. They were so old and they were like cuddling. They were still holding hands. I'm like, oh my god, am I ever gonna get that? You guys, like everyone's fucking just crazy in Vancouver. I just want like a boyfriend that will love me. But it's fine. It's fine. I remember I was so desperate before. Now I'm like coming to terms with like myself that I'm okay, like on my own, you know? What am I looking for? I can't see anything. What am I looking for? Yeah, but I was gonna do something and I forgot. My makeup's kind of already off. There was one more step. Yeah, I was gonna do something. What the hell? Whatever. Guess it wasn't that important. But yeah, no, so that couple was so cute. They were so old. Oh my god. Do you guys think I'm gonna ever get a boyfriend that will love me for me? And just want me and give me all the attention in the world? I think it'll happen. Everything else I've manifested has already came true, so that's the tea on that, kids. Don't give up. Do not give up. Guys, I was so close last year. If I would have, none of the shit that I've been doing now would have happened. That would have been a mess. That would have been really disappointing. Imagine watching from above and like seeing some other gay kid do the things that I do. Huh. So I'm glad I'm here, bitches. I'm glad I'm here. Get ready for what's coming in 2020. I don't know what's coming, but something's coming. I'm coming. I'm not. I'm not. I wish I was. No. Well, yeah, I do. Oh my god, I'm so horny. Oh, penis. Peanut. It should be penis. Did you guys like Izza's makeup? Because I did it, so she didn't. Don't give her credit. Shouldn't know how to do that. Oh, lordy. I think we're gonna just chill for the rest of the day. They're going out with my sister and my cousin. I never got invited.
You did by me and then...
Yeah, my sister uninvited me. Me and my sister are going through it right now. She's just so fucking bitchy lately. I'm like, ugh, I don't want to deal with that. But I could be a bitch too. So it makes sense. Like, we'll both turn it down. We just need a minute. No, but yeah, so they're gonna go to Cactus. So I think I'm just gonna have a chill night by myself. Maybe watch some Euphoria on Izza's laptop since she's here. Oh, you're going through it. Holy shit. Do you want help? Her makeup looks so bomb today, though. Like, am I right or am I right? Do you see that little square moment? I'm obsessed with Conan Gray. That's my new obsession, just saying. Melanie got me into it.
Okay, stop.
Okay. You know what? I'm ending it here. Bye.